Zen 2 architecture. Stinks that they ripped the box there. So this is the AMD Ryzen 7 3800X, 8 cores, 16 threads, 4.5 gigahertz max boost. This is uses AMD's 7 nanometer technology. Let's see what we have in the box. That's it. We'll open up this first. Looks like the cooler. Wow. Check out that cooler. Doesn't look like you'll need an aftermarket cooling for this one. Maybe if you're overclocking. And we have the fan connectors there. Fan connectors. Set this bad boy back in there. Little Ryzen sticker there to decorate your case. Okay. These always get me. Important, please read. Installation instructions. Wow, so this you could still apply this in a AMD AM3 Plus socket. I wouldn't recommend it. It would be definitely bogged down. You'll probably overheat the front side bus there. And here's the chip and the sticker. Then we'll flip this out. We'll do like a Star Wars type flyby. For all those who accidentally throw this out. And this is the English one. Step 3, never use the processor without the heatsink/fan installed. Yeah, that wouldn't be smart. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments.